We are hosting an event for Bystronic, our machinery and automation partner for our Smart Factory facility. The purpose of this event is to showcase the journey that we've taken with Bystronic to derive one of the most sophisticated and fully automated smart manufacturing capabilities in the Southern Hemisphere.
Automation can only start with warehousing and material supply. We have loaded up here 111 cassettes that allows us to store up to 330 tonne of material in the warehousing. One of the most expensive but often overlooked parts of manufacturing is the number of times that we have to move material around the workshop. This only ever gets moved once off the truck, onto the I/O cart and straight into the warehousing to allow for efficient delivery to the laser as needed. The Smart Factory starts with the laser, and the Bystronic Bi-Star laser is the machine for your Smart Factory and automation, running continuously with a number of advanced features so that we don't have to have continued manned operation. This equipment is designed to run lights out. The Expert 80 is designed to be the flexible press brake for your operation with 1.5 metres across the bed and 80 tonnes of pressing force. The machine is designed for rapid prototyping, short production runs. When we want to move into fully automation, we can move the mobile bending cell and couple it with the Expert 80. This gives you a fully automated solution for your smaller parts into the evening when you don't have to have it staffed by people. Bystronic have revolutionised the loading and unloading of the laser bed with the Bi-Sort automation. Behind me you can see automation that allows for the quick and efficient removal of material from 150 millimetres square up to 1200 by 1800 and 100 kilos of parts automatically on a continuous basis. Immediately behind me, what you can see is our Expert Pro 153 metre press brake and the bending cell. The bending cell is designed to give a fully automated bending solution for the products that Lower Lighting are manufacturing.
We are delighted to have gone on this journey with Bystronic, as they have supported us very closely through the conception, integration and deliverables of our Smart Factory.